Hello folks and welcome to Sound Codex. Today I want to show you how to use the voxengo span to analyze multiple sound sources. So let's create a new track. We can call it span and we can add an instance of span by voxengo. With the free version I'm using right now, we can see only two spectrums at once. If you want to visualize multiple spectrums, consider buying the paid version. Now I can send my piano track into the voxengo through channel 1 and 2. Then I can send this synth melody, channel 3 and 4, and this drum bass, channel 5 and 6. Now let's see if everything is fine. No, we need to clear this mess. So 6 channels from 1 to 6. Great. Now if I press space, you'll see why nothing. There is no sound here. If I press space, you'll see the entire spectrum filled by all the 6 tracks. So we're seeing the group called multi. Here the voxengo span is adding each track, so we see the entire spectrum. We can check if the voxengo is receiving signal on every track by looking at the meters here, 1, 2, 3 up to 6. And we can enter the routing section. Here we have input routing from 1 up to 6. Channels are named left, right, C, LFE, LS, RS. If you know the meaning of these words, please write a comment down below. These names reminds me of like Dolby Atmos channel naming, but I'm not quite sure about that. Anyway, you can rename these channels using the in-channel labels. You can rename this like left, right. And now we can take a look at the group assignment. Here we have a group called multi. It is receiving signals from track 1 up to track 6. We don't need it. So first of all, we can rename this group. I want it to be group G1, so we can keep the naming consistent. I want G1 to receive from 1, 2. I want G2 to receive from 3 and 4. And I want G3 to receive from 5 and 6. As you can see now, the group span is showing is the G1. If we press underlay, we can select which group overlay. And here we have our multi-spectrum analyzer. I really hope this video was useful for you. If so, consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in a future video. Bye!